Welcome back to Saving Made Easy. It is time for the official Springtime 2022 Stockpile Tour. What is new and improved? Which items are hardest to keep in stock? Will I ever get it organized? No. So stick around to find out. Be sure to hit subscribe and bop that notification bell so you don't miss out on stockpile tours and easy couponing deals. Let's go! Okay, I wish it were organized a little bit better for this video, but it is what it is. This is what we live with day to day, so I thought I'd show you guys exactly as it is. So this is an open paper towel bounty thing. This was on clearance from Kroger. So we've been working on this one for a while, but yeah, I don't know why they open one and leave it on the stockpile and then just come get one at a time. But that is what ends up happening. Up there, you can see all the weird recycled toilet paper that we end up getting from CVS for those Babo deals. I still haven't tried it. It's going to be like our last resort toilet paper. It'll probably be here when we die. So just know that that's a thing. So this is kind of like the start of the personal care section up here. I've got a lot of hand soap recently, which I used to be really out of, so that's good. You can see I put the prettier ones up front. Back here is like all the stuff that I got on clearance. This is like the Lifebuoy clearance stuff. So the soft soap goes up front and it goes back that far. And then the little soft soaps, also clearance items. Over here, there were a couple extra soaps that didn't really fit in. And then there's shaving cream. We go through this pretty slowly, so I don't buy a whole lot even with coupons. And then there's bar soap of various brands back there, but we're not bar soap fans, so usually that ends up going in a stockpile sale. My beloved body wash section. On the end here is all the kinds that are random and don't really go with anything. And then we have a little Suave section, a little Dial section, and then there's men's of all sorts. I wish it was more organized, like I said. I wish things matched a little bit better so it looked more like a cute little store shelf, but you know, it is what it is. It's stuff that we need, and that's the important thing. This is my giant tote of toothpaste. I really need to go through here and donate some because it's been a while and we are really stocked up. So I'll probably put some of the more expensive ones in a stockpile sale and then donate some of the cheaper ones. And we've got a couple kids recently, so that's good. The kids like that stuff better. Down here is the deodorant. You can see we're running a little bit low. I like to keep a pretty good stockpile. It's okay, but we could definitely use some more, so I'm going to be looking for that. I feel like we haven't gotten good deodorant coupons in kind of a while. And then over here is just like extra random personal care stuff. So you can see there's like lotions, there's volumizers for hair, there's body lotion, I think there's suntan lotion, there's hairspray in the back, hair color. I don't use a lot of that stuff, some of the lotion, but some of that will be going on a stockpile sale too. Our shampoo and conditioner shelf is sort of always at this capacity. It's not because we go through it. I actually don't go through it very often. Shampoo and conditioner are one of the things that you can find for free or almost free almost all the time with coupons. And that's many different brands, from herbal essences to Garnier to whatever. I only use one specific brand, and that's all I use. So I go through that pretty slowly. So the rest of it doesn't get used as often. So we end up donating from this shelf quite regularly. So this is after a recent donation, I think around the first of the year. We donated a pretty good chunk of it. So this is what was left after that. And probably we could even donate more than that, because honestly, none of those are my brand. So yeah, I could work on getting some more men's. David goes through the men's pretty regularly, but the rest of it just doesn't happen very often. You can see down here that my little bucket of donations is getting pretty full. There's some meals, there's some shampoo and conditioner, There's some cleaners and stuff now, so that'll be ready to be taken to the little, what do you call it, wish bin donation thing, probably later this week or next week. This is sort of the food section, and this section gets pulled from quite a bit, so the shelves are usually never completely full. But up here we've got baking mixes and like cakes, brownies, things like that, some pie crusts that were on clearance. Down here we've got sauces and ketchups, we've got pasta salads, crackers, broth and soup. There's some more chicken broth over there and some little dessert jellos. Down here I keep my baking supplies, which are running really low. Sometimes Pop-Tarts. We've got all sorts of pasta over here, and you can see, you know, we pull from that pretty regularly. So that's down pretty low as well. The next shelf, more broth, more soup, you know, for cooking and things, some juice, some peanut butter. Our cereal stock was really low toward the holidays because we had some expire on us that we didn't mean to, and then we had also gone through a good bit of it over Christmas break. So we're starting to get it back up there a little bit. And down at the bottom there is just the canned goods, tomatoes, corn, peas, green beans, all that stuff. I feel like I'm gonna have to get a bigger shelf for all of my cleaning supplies because this one is I'm surprisingly really full. Cleaning supplies used to be one of the things that I found it hard to coupon for, but that was when I was like stuck on the idea that I had to get everything for free. Now I'm cool with, you know, just paying a low price for stuff that I need, and I've gotten a lot more stuff. So with that in mind, all of our Kleenexes and tissues are up here on the top in a very organized fashion. You can see some of the boxes got crushed in the trunk. That's okay, they still work. We've got Ziploc bags, trash bags, which I got from a clearance sale where they were super cheap, and I'm so happy that we still have some. I'm not looking forward to having to restock that when we inevitably run out, but some Huggies wipes as well. Down here, hi Nug. Down here, we've got dish soaps of all kinds. There's a little row for Febreze plugs, and then a massive section of Microban after all those coupons came out earlier this year. Okay, and then this is sort of like just all the cleaning supplies. So this is sprays and bleach, and there's toilet bowl cleaner back in there, just disinfectant of all kinds. And then on the bottom shelf, there's carpet cleaner, some extra cleaners that I don't get very often, like Pine Sol, and then that little basket is Febrezes and different air freshener sprays and stuff like that. As you can see, our toilet paper stockpile is pretty insane right now. That's a lot. I don't know if you can tell how far this goes back, but these are really big ones. The little ones are on top, and then over here there's some like medium sized ones. So that's a lot of toilet paper. So yeah, that will take us a while to go through. We just had some good deals back to back, and then I don't know what happened. It just kind of exploded from there. But yeah, okay, I've tried to organize this the best that I can. We've got a lot of different brands. So back here is the fabric sprays for wrinkles, different things like that. Some scent beads, Snuggle, we've got Gain, all kinds of stuff. Some of these little Gain things. Back here are the dryer sheets, mostly Gain and Snuggle with those. Some of the Downy beads, and then right up front we have the Gain Essential Oils detergent. I don't even know if I've used one of those yet. I'm gonna have to try it. I heard they smell really, really good. And then over here we've got more wrinkle releaser and lots of fabric softener that just, I don't know why, we tend to get those in big jugs. The bottom here, I try to keep the heavier stuff near the bottom, is all of the packs. You can see I've got a lot. But yeah, we've got Purex, there's Arm & Hammer, there's Gain, there's Tide Simply. We just get so many coupons for so many different things. I've got everything. And then there's the liquid down there, Tide, and lots of all some Arm & Hammer in the back, and actually some Purex. And I don't know if you can see it, but back there hiding is one jug of 7th generation. So that is the laundry shelf. Actually could stand to restock some paper towels. I've got this little bit here. That's actually toilet paper. And I've got that Bounty over there, but that's pretty much it on my paper towels. So, yeah, getting pretty low. I also have this big 4 drawer thing on my Stockpile. So up here, this is one of those little bags you get from Walmart, like the free stuff. So that's where I put all my little Gain and Glade plug-in things. Febreze, you know, that's where all the air freshener stuff goes. Same thing over here. This is like candles and Renews-It. So that's all of that. First drawer is a lot of medicine stuff. So first aid, medicine, some kids meds, all of that good stuff. Could stand a little bit more in there. Even been in this second drawer in a while, honestly. I didn't know what was in here. Some canned soups, some air freshener things, some little small cleaning products, some suntan lotion, school pencils, just random crap, honestly. Here is the makeup and makeup supplies. So we've got wipes, which I need to stock up on. We've got all kinds of makeup in there. And then there are hand sanitizers and some suntan lotion down in there. So that's the third drawer. Mostly makeup, lots of mascara, some lip stuff from where we coupon at CVS. So lots of makeup. I really need to have, even when I have a sale though, I feel like the makeup doesn't sell really well, which I don't understand because it's really expensive if you don't want a coupon for it. So I would buy it cheaper. And down at the bottom, more random crap. We've got mashed potatoes and marshmallows, oatmeal, sugar, just everything you can think of down in this bottom drawer. So I think the moral of this video is you need to organize your stockpile regularly because, wow, that's just, yeah, that's not good. Also have the feminine products tote with everything from Stay Free to Poise to Always. We just got everything. We've got liners. I'm sure there's even tampons in the bottom. Just everything in here. Over here on the other side of the room is my pegboard. I pay this like no attention. I just throw some razors up there whenever I need to, but mostly it is for razors. There are some air fresheners up there, some face masks, some little detergent things, but yeah, mostly I don't do much with the pegboard, but it's there. There's a home for razors, so they do have a place. Probably the most important part of the stockpile is my table. Basically, it works as a catch-all, and when I come in, I just throw my bags on here, and this is what happens. So as you can see right now, I've got a couple of things to organize. I'm working on some Easter baskets for the boys, so that's Easter stuff right there. Some stuff from Valentine's Day that hasn't gotten organized yet. So this is the stockpile table. Thanks for checking out this video, you guys. If you want to take pictures of your stockpile or some video and post it on social media, tag us at saving_made-easy. We would love to see your stockpiles. Leave this video a big thumbs up. We would really, really appreciate your support, and we'll catch you in the next one.